visitors, and then we had to write an essay for the semester for the half semester about our experience here. And I remember I got patted down right there because everybody got patted down. But then my mom made me some lovely sandwiches. My mom made me some lovely sandwiches for the day. And old Joilet prison. And yeah, so our class is standing right in front of there, and the dog, the search dog, went right into my bag. And my professor goes, "Eric, what the fuck did you bring in with you?" And I said, and I found eventually they're a couple of sandwiches. Yeah, and we parked our bus right here. You can still book tours through here. Yeah, we got lined up on this side, and then yeah, they came out with a dog, the guards, and they searched us. And yeah, they found my sandwiches, and I said, "Man, don't you guys feed your dogs? Or the damn Polish sausage must be that good." But yeah, this is it, guys. This is one of the first. But yeah, this was a blueprinted off of the Kalmanian jail in Dublin. So if you guys want, you can go through Old Joilet Prison, Historic Site, National Register, or tag that thing and book a tour and come up here and not get searched anymore. So yeah, here's some history about it here. Only State Penitentiary, and of course, if you guys ever watched the Blues Brothers, this prison appears in the movie. All right, anyways, guys, let's keep going. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
So yeah, let's keep going. Well, while we're here, maybe we should do a battery check and a battery swap. Since I got some excellent assistance here, where we don't have to get off the bike. Yeah. All right, guys, from Joilet State Prison in Joliet, Illinois. Closed now. Hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now. Over and out from the concrete jungle.